Here we go, guys. Down into the salt mine.
Ice. It's like ice.
What do you say, yo? What is this? Turda salt mine? I don't know, Salinas Turda salt
What's up,
mine.
people? Am I crush you?
It's like a whole town down
Am I
here.
what? Crush you? Crush what?
I don't know why I have to make noises when I'm filming. Hey guys, here we are inside the salt mine. Oops. This way. What do you think, Marty? It's kind of cool. It's nice.
Who's that?
I don't know if I can. It's nobody.
Oh, it's not.
It's just camera. Just videotaping. Look how tall he is. Whoa, look at that. That's a cool. We
I'm a Christian Goliath.
Pretty neat.
Hey, here it is. The salt.
Yes.
And TR through. And Pepe. Winded. A little bit winded. He carried an extra 15 kilos maybe.
Alright, here we are. You probably just lifted him down. I am filming you when you're singing. Bro. Broski. Salt. 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 Oh, slick salt. Warning. What does that mean? Means warning. Louder.
But you need to listen first.
I got some.
No.
It's like prosciutto.
Pork.
So here I bought some meat out of the vending machine.
Have some meat.
That's pretty cool.
We are gonna try it out. We'll let you know how it is. Here, I have a knife.
You just walk around with it?
Yeah, I'm American.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Don't cut yourself. It's very sharp.
You beat it.
Wow, he almost cut his wife.
Yeah. Deixe tu, Levi. Deixe tu.
It's so fatty. You will eat this.
Is it nice?
Pizza?
Oh, what is going on here?
Oh, this is good. Do you want some?
Oh.
One else?
Yeah, it's pork.
I got another one here. It's on the inside right here.
No.
Defect. It's right here.
Okay. That's a cool one.
No. Get your grimy hands out of there,
Dad,
Yolanda.
come on. It's me.
Let go. All right. From the salt mine we were just in. Get back, get back,
Come
get back,
on,
get
you
back, get
gonna
back.
let me
It's
have
taking me
some.
forever to get this out. Here,
You don't let me have some. Seriously,
you try it, yo.
No, I tried some. Thank you.
Try it. This is like the longest video because it's. That's the best one. I
Yeah?
should have went with that. I'll get this.